Emmy, what do you learn in school today?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say, Old MacDonald had a farm,
Yeah.
and on his farm he had
Boo.
a cow.
Yeah.
Somebody didn't have a nap today, and she's really... Oh, do you want to see Emmy? So let's see. Sometimes we can get Emmy to sit up. Do you want to sit up and show us? Oh, Emmy, wait, not in the mouth. Not in the mouth. Okay. Say hi. Say, I want to eat this camera. Say yummy, yummy, yummy. Say, that's a yummy looking camera. Uh-oh. Don't spit up, Emmy. What do you want to say, Audrey? Say one more thing.
Cheese.
No, don't say cheese. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.